Welcome everyone here at the first demonstration day of Flying Forward 2020 at the high-tech campus. Thanks everyone for a great first day. We've been doing some great testing, obviously building it up, checking the connectivity, doing manual flights, first VLOS flights, BVLOS even a little bit, and everything just came together. So I'm looking forward to the next demo day, which will be in a couple of weeks. All the parties will be invited again. Thanks to you guys, and